Hello students, I select some important questions for your exam from science. This video contains questions from all the three sections, that is physics, chemistry, biology. So let's start it. First question is the similar individuals of species which occur in a particular area constitute. Similar individuals of species that are in particular area are known as population. Second question, edapology is connected with plant and biosphere, soil and living microorganism, animals and ecosystem, soil and biosphere. Edapology is related to soil and biosphere. So here the correct answer is to D. Next, plants growing in extreme cold soils are plants growing in extreme cold soils are oxylophytes, halophytes, psychrophyte या semophytes. The correct answer is psychrophyte. Plant growing in cold soils. Extreme cold soils are psychrophytes. Lichen is the association of protista algae, fungi bacteria, virus fungi or algae fungi. Lichen is the association of algae and fungi. The correct answer is D part. Next, acid rain are produced by excess NO2 and SO2 emitted from burning fossil fuels, NH3, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide. Acid rain is due to the nitric aml and sulfurous aml that is formed by NO2 and SO2. So correct answer is the A part. Next, which one is not pollutant if kept within tolerable limit? Hydrocarbons, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, these all are pollutants, but sulfur dioxide is not a pollutant if it is kept in tolerable limit. Next, upper part of sea aquatic ecosystem is known as plankton, demersal species, umbrella species, vinod. This is known as plankton. Renewable source of energy is biomass, coal, kerosene, petroleum. Renewable source of energy is biomass. Pick up the correct food chain. Grass, chameleon, insect, bird, phytoplankton, zooplankton, fish, grass, fox, rabbit, fallen leaves. The correct option is grass. Chameleon eats grass and insects eat chameleon. The correct answer is B. Phytoplankton eaten by zooplankton and zooplankton eaten by fish. The correct option is B. Next, fertility of soil is measured by its ability to retain nutrients, hold organic materials, or hold water or support life. Fertility of soil is measured by its utility to support life. Next, petroleum. Petroleum is a synthetic product, renewable source or non-renewable source या inconvenient source. Petroleum is a non-renewable source. Petroleum is a non-renewable source. river water deposits river water deposits are loamy soil, alluvial soil, laterite soil, or sandy soil. This is a sandy soil. River water deposits are sandy soil. Next, soil particles determine their water holding capacity. Soil particles determine their water holding capacity. The correct is of river water deposits not sandy soil, it is a alluvial soil. Sandy soil is not correct answer. Next, ultraviolet radiation from sunlight cause a reaction that produces fluorides, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, or ozone. The correct answer is ozone. Study of interrelationships between organisms and their environment. It is known as ecology. Interrelationship between organism and their environment. Next, pyramid of numbers deals with the number of species in an area, individuals in a community, individuals in a tropic level, subspecies in a community. Pyramid of a number deals with the number of individuals in a tropic level. C. The correct answer is C. Which among the following is likely to have the highest level of DDT deposition in its body? Seagull, eel, crab, phytoplankton, or crab? The right answer is the seagull. In this, the right answer is the seagull. Which of the following gases contributes maximum to the greenhouse effect on the earth? Greenhouse gas, main greenhouse gas is the carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbon, freon, methane. It is the A. Carbon dioxide is the main greenhouse gas. Next, the dominant second trophic level in a lake ecosystem. Here, the correct answer is zooplankton. Zooplankton feed on phytoplankton and are primary consumers. So, the right answer is zooplankton in this R. Next, a disease caused by eating fish contaminated by industrial waste containing mercury compounds is. The right answer is Minamata disease. Minamata disease is caused by the eating fish contaminated by industrial waste containing mercury compounds is the Minamata disease. World population has nowadays is about 7 million. Next, the rate of addition of new members increases with respect to the individual lost of the same population. Then the graph obtained increasing population, number of birth is greater than the death. So, it shows the exponential growth. It shows the exponential growth. Next, number of babies produced per thousand individuals are called natality. This is called natality. Next, the average life expectancy around the world is decreasing. Next, which of the following statement is correct? Some animals help us in keeping our environment clean. They consume dead animals and dispose them off. They are called scavengers. Quinine, a forest product of it is correct. First is correct. Quinine, a forest product obtained from the bark of cinchona, while used to treat typhoid. Now, it is not used for typhoid, it is for malaria. So, second is wrong. Ban Mahotsav is a festival of cutting down. No, it is also wrong. International Day of Forest is celebrated on 21 March. So, first and fourth are correct. Then option A is correct. Next, boundary of the territory is marked by urination, pheromones present in excreta, presence of excreta, all of the above. It is in forest, performed by different animals, territory marked by all of these. Next, protective device in mammals is competition, commensalism, mimicry, or symbiosis. The correct option is mimicry. By mimicry, some animals protect themselves. The representation of age pyramid for the human population given here: post-reproductive, reproductive, pre-reproductive. Pre-reproductive is large, reproductive medium, and post-reproductive is small. So the correct answer is declining population, stable population, increasing population. Pre-reproductive is more, then this shows the increasing population. This shows the increasing population, that birth is more. The maximum growth rate occurs in stationary phase, senescent phase, lag phase, या exponential phase. Simply, the maximum growth is in exponential phase. ये mutually beneficial, associated, necessary for the survival of both the partners. Mutually beneficial association is known as the mutualism or symbiosis. Mutualism or symbiosis. Next, in ecosystem, which one shows one-way passes? Carbon, nitrogen, energy, potassium. In ecosystem, energy show one-way passes from sun to other living organisms. This is only one-way passage of energy. Next, greenhouse effect causes warming due to infrared rays, due to moisture, due to increase in temperature, due to trapping of heat, increased deposition of CO2 in atmosphere. Yes, this is correct. CO2 traps heat. So option C is correct. Major aerosol pollutant in jet planes emission is aerosol present in jet planes emission is fluorocarbon, chlorofluorocarbon. So the correct option is D. Next, gas released during Bhopal tragedy: methyl isocyanate, sodium isocyanate, MIG. It is a MIG gas, that is methyl isocyanate. Next, pyramid of numbers in a grassland or tree ecosystem is always inverted, always upright, spindle shaped. Pyramid of numbers in grasslands always upright and always inverted. So both A and V are correct. Homeostasis is the tendency of biological system to change with change in environment, tendency of biological system to resist distribution. The correct answer is tendency of biological system to change with the change in environment. That is known as the homeostasis. That is, the organism change himself according to the change in environment. Now try some questions from physics. A body covers half of its distance journey with a speed of 60 km per second and other half with a 40 meter per second. Then average speed during the whole journey. Let total distance is equal to 2x and time taken half distance, that is x. Time is equal to distance upon speed, that is x upon 60, and another is t2, that is x upon 40. Now average speed is the total distance upon total time, total distance upon total time. So total distance 2x upon x upon 60 plus x upon 40. Solve it. Then this is equal to 2x upon 100x upon 60 into 40. Cancel out 0, 0, 0, 0. And 6 4 is 24. X cancel out. 24 2 is 48. Then the correct answer is 48. Average speed of the body is 48. Second question. A body moving in straight line is said to be in uniform motion if it covers equal distances in equal interval of time. So ever what interval may be. This is the correct answer. If a body covers equal distance in equal interval of time, then it is said to be in uniform motion. When the distance covered is equal to the displacement. When distance covered is equal to the displacement. In circular path, in straight line, in oscillatory motion. No, it is when it travels in a straight line, then distance is equal to displacement. A graph is plotted showing the velocity of a car as a function of time. If the graph is straight line parallel to time axis, this is here time and here speed. It shows this straight line graph. This straight line graph show the constant speed of time. That is constant speed. That is velocity is constant. Option D is correct. Mohan takes 20 minutes to cover a distance of 3.2 km due to north on a bicycle. His velocity in kilometer per hour. Velocity, distance upon time. Here distance is 3.2 in kilometer, time 20 minutes. So it convert into hour, then divide by 60. 60 goes above. 22 to 3 multiplied by 3. 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9. The correct answer is 9.6 is the correct answer. Which of the following graphs does not represent constant speed? Constant speed means straight line graph. Here straight line, here also straight line, and this is the curved. So it is not show the constant speed. Study the following velocity time graph and find its speed. Here velocity is 5, here 15, here 25, time here 5, and here 0. At 0 the velocity is 5 and at 0 time, and at t is equal to 5, that is here velocity is this, that is 25. The right answer is 5 and 25. The correct answer is here D. The graph shows the first 5 seconds of a car journey, the distance travelled in 3 seconds. Distance travelled in 3 seconds. That is here. This. Distance covered is determined by the area of this triangle. Here base is 3 and height is 6. So area of this triangle is half into base into height. 2 3 are 6 and 3 3 are 9. So the right answer is 9 meter. Distance travelled in 3 seconds is 9 meter. Next. Which of the following statement is wrong? Distance has both directions and magnitude. Yes, this is wrong. Distance has only magnitude. It is a scalar quantity. Fill in the blanks. A truck moves a speed of 40 km per hour for 30 minutes. and then at a speed of 60 km per hour for next 15 minutes. Total distance covered by the truck. Distance covered by first part, that is d1. d1 is equal to speed into time, that is 40 into minute converted into hour by divided by 60. Divide 0 0, 3 2 just 6 to 20, that is first distance is 20. First distance is 20. Now d2 is again 80 d2. First distance is 20, d1 is equal to 20, and d2 80 into 15 upon 60, 0 0 cancel out, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, and 3 5 is 15, 5 4 is 20, and if both distances are 20, then 20 plus 20 is equal to 40. That is right answer is the 40 kilometer. Next, Komal and Kavita start at one end of a street. Origin run to the other end and then head back on the way back. Komal is ahead of Kavita. Which of the given statements is correct regarding the distance covered and displacement from the origin? Komal come back and ahead to Kavita. So, Komal has traveled greater distance but lesser displacement. So, answer C is correct. If a car is traveling north on a straight road and its brakes are applied, when brakes are applied, then retardation applied on the car. So the direction of the car moving in north direction, so the direction of the acceleration is southward because it retards the car and to stop the car. The right answer is 12th B. Which of the following statement is wrong? Which of the following statement is wrong? Basic unit of time is second. Every object moves with constant speed. First is correct. Distance between two cities are measured in kilometers. Time period of pendulum is constant. So here the wrong answer is every object moves with a constant speed. No, every object not moving with a constant speed. The SI unit of speed is meter per second. Varun and Arun covers a certain distance in 1 hour, and Aman and Raman covers the same distance in 2 hours. Then who travels in higher speed? Higher speed means lesser time taken by Varun and Arun. So the right answer is Varun and Arun. Which of the following is false statement? In non-uniform motion, the average speed is same as the actual speed. This is wrong. In non-uniform motion, the average speed is same the actual speed. This is wrong statement. A car moving on a busy road is an example of uniform, non-uniform, circular, periodic. On a busy road, it is example of non-uniform motion. Motion of march past of soldiers in parade is rectilinear, circular, oscillatory. It is rectilinear, that is a straight line motion. Movement of a pendulum is an example of circular, straight, periodic. It is a periodic motion. Motion of a pendulum. Which of the following cannot be obtained from the distance time graph? Distance time graph, distance, speed, weight, position. Weight is not calculated from this. A train A is moving with a speed of 10 km per hour towards east. Another train V is moving parallel to A with a speed of 8 km per hour towards east. Which of the following statement is true? Man standing on platform observed that both trains are moving with speed A. Passenger inside B. A man standing on the platform observed Man standing on the platform will observe trains are moving with a 2 km per hour speed. A passenger inside the train V will observe that the train A is moving with 2 km per hour. The right answer is D. The difference of both the trains is 2 km per hour. So V, passenger of train V, observe that train A is moving with 2 km per hour because both are going in same direction. Which of the following statement is true? The distance time graph of uniform motion is always straight line, right? The distance time graph of a non-uniform motion is curved line. Both are correct. So here D is the correct option. What is motion? The change in position of an object with respect to time. The change in time with respect to position of an object. The object at rest. The change in position of an object with respect to time is the motion. Which of the following shows correct relation? Speed is equal to distance upon time. The right answer is V. Which of the following device measured speed? Speed is measured by speedometer. Odometer measures the distance. Ammeter measures the current. Next, now discuss some questions from light. If the angle between the incident ray and the normal to the plane of the mirror is 40 degree, the angle between incident ray and reflected ray. Question is this, that is, this is the mirror, and if the incident ray and normal angle between this is 40 degree, then this is the reflected ray and this is also 40 degree. Question is here, the total angle between incident and reflected ray, then this is equal to 80 degree, 40 plus 40. Then the right answer is C. Right answer is here C. C. Next question, the distance between the focus and pole of the mirror. Focus and pole of the mirror is focal length. An object is placed at a large distance in front of a concave mirror. The image will be on concave mirror. The image will be real and inverted. If a distant object forms real and inverted image from the concave mirror, the correct option is A. A ray of light is incident on a plane at an angle of incidence is 30 degree. The deviation produced by the mirror. It is very important question. This question asks you that if any ray falls at 30 degree, then what is the deviation of this rays go to in this direction, then this is also 30 degree. The deviation means deviation from original direction. This is the original direction of the ray. This is the original direction. Then what is the deviation? This is the direction and the distance between angle, this is equal to the deviation. This is 60 and this forms the linear pair. This 60, then this angle is the 120. The right answer is here 120 is the right answer. If an object is placed at a 0.5 meter in front of a mirror, then distance between object and image, this is also a good question. This is a plane mirror and any object is placed 0.5 meter, then distance between object and mirror image, this is image, then 0.5 equal to 1 meter. Then the right answer is 1 meter. A ray is incident on a plane surface making an angle 45 degree with the surface. Find the angle between incident and reflected ray. Same, 45 plus 45, it 90 degree. The right answer is 90 degree. Which phenomena of the light is observed in this? This is reflection. Reflection. Option A is correct. A ray of light parallel to the floor strikes a plane mirror which is inclined at an angle 40 degree. This is also a very good question for our exam. Which is inclined at an angle 40 degree. what is the angle of reflection? This is incident ray and this angle is 40 degree. These are the parallel. Then this angle also alternate interior angle 40 degree. And if we draw an perpendicular, then this is the reflected ray. If this is 40 degree, then this is the perpendicular 90 degree, then this is 90 degree, this 40, then this is 50. And if incident angle is 50 degree, then this is also 50 degree. The right answer is here 50 degree. On the basis of following features, identify the correct option. Image formed is virtual and direct. Okay, size of image formed is equal to size of the object in plane mirror. The right side of the object appears as left side, that is laterally inverted. Then lateral inversion takes place in plane mirror. Right answer is plane mirror. Which of the following is application of concave mirror? Concave mirror, vehicle mirror, no. Vehicle mirror is the convex mirror. Reflector of torch, yes. Solar furnace, yes. The right answer is V and C. That is both V and C are correct. When an object is kept in path of light, we observe its shadow because speed of light is very high. Light propagates in all directions. Straight line. Light travels in straight line, due to which shadow is formed. Which of the following is the property of plane mirror? Property of plane mirror shows enlarged, no. Lateral inversion, yes. Image of same as that of object, yes. B and C are correct option. When the earth comes in between the sun and the moon, when earth comes between sun and moon, shadow of the earth is cast on the moon and the part of the moon cannot be seen. Which of the following is correct? It is a lunar eclipse. It is a lunar eclipse. Which of the following can act as a mirror? Glass, polished surface of metal, wood block, polished paper, no. Polished surface of metal is act as an mirror. Identify the correct option for the concave mirror. Convex, concave and convex. Here is a spoon. Spoon, this surface y and x. X is the convex and y is the concave. X is convex and y is concave. That is option A is correct. Which of the following mirror forms diminished image? Diminished image, concave, convex, concave form diminished, convex also perform diminished. Plane mirror, no. So both convex and concave formed diminished mirror. The image shows the word ambulance written on the inverted manner. This is in inverted manner. Why is it written? Why is it written on ambulance? To confuse people who are drive vehicle can see it in properly in their vehicle. Yes, it is. They can see and pass the ambulance. Which of the following mirrors can produce both real and virtual image? Real and virtual image. Here MNPS. The right answer is not so lateral inversion. Right answer is M. M does not show lateral inversion. Next, through the window of forest bungalow, Swapna could see a giraffe as shown on the below. The find the window of three sections. Which of the following statement is true? First part, second part, third part. This is the window and this is A. Not seen from A, that is A is opaque and blurred image from V and from C clear. C is transparent, V is translucent. Then option V is correct. Which of the following proves that the light is a form of energy. Light is a form of energy. Light travels in straight line. Light can travel through vacuum. Light can transformed in different forms of energy. Speed of light is highest in the universe. Light can transformed in different forms of energy. So it proves that light is a form of energy. Speed of light is 3 into 8, 10 to the power 8 meter per second, right? 3 into 10 to the power 8 kilometer per second. No, this is not right. 3 into 10 to the power 5 kilometer per second. Yes, this is also right. Then answer A and C are both are correct. This is and this is also correct. During solar eclipse, sun comes between earth and moon. Earth comes between sun and moon. The right answer is moon comes between sun and earth. Which of the following is a luminous object? Earth, Jupiter, moon, sun is a luminous object. Luminous objects are those objects which produces light. Regular reflection occurs from a plane mirror. Reflection takes from the plane mirror show regular reflection, that is a smooth, and wall show irregular reflection, that is rough. Then the right answer is regular and irregular. Find the angle between incident ray and reflected ray. It is the same question, repeated question. The right answer is 90 degree, 45 plus 45. The term lateral inversion refers to appearance of inverted, erect, appearance of left side of an right side object. Yes, left and right changed to each other. Then this option C is the correct option. Millie placed an object X between two plane mirrors. This is the object X between M1 and M2. This is M1 and this is M2. Image distance from M2 of the first three images formed by the mirror M2 will be respectively. This is 0.5, then first image at here 5.5, and this is at 5, and image this is total distance 10, this is 10, then this is here also 10, the first 10, and next image formed of this it is at first image at 5, and second image here 10, 10, 10, 10, 25, 25, that is at a first at 5, second at 25. Then the answer is 525, that is option V is correct. Next question, an opaque cylinder is placed in front of torch, two positions. First is this type, this position, that is cylindrical, and second position is this vertical and horizontal. The image formed is this type. This is for vertical, this is for horizontal. Option C is correct. We use convex mirrors as side mirrors of the vehicle. Why? They produce magnified image, produce erect image, they can spread image over a large area. The view angle of the convex mirror is more, so they are used as a side view mirror. Magnification of image produced by a concave mirror. Concave mirror produced all type of images, equal, greater, smaller. So this option D is correct. Why is shadow of bird flying high in the sky not seen? Darkest part of the shadow umbra does not reach. Yes, this is the right answer. Umbra does not reach to the earth, so the shadow of the flying bird not see on the earth. Next question, magnification produced by a rear view mirror. Rear view mirror means convex mirror. Convex means produces always smaller object than the magnification of the convex mirror is always less than 1. That is option C is correct. Option C is correct. Next, image formed in still water. Image formed in still water. Still water behaves like a plane mirror, then virtual and erect. It forms virtual and erect image. Which of the following cannot form shadow? Shadow, transparent medium does not form shadow. This is not transparent. This is also not transparent. Also not. This is transparent. So it not forms shadow. Option D is correct option. Which property of light? Which property of light depicted in the following image? Light passes to eye from a burning candle. Here, this light goes in this. This shows the straight line. The light travels in straight line. Option C is correct option. Identify the correct statement. Incident ray, reflected ray and normal lie in the same plane. Angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. Both are correct. This option C is correct. Manoj put some red colored marbles in blue colored glass vase. The color of red marbles would appear. It is black because red plus blue forms black color. Which of the following statement is true? Convex mirror and plane mirror always produce erect image, and convex mirror and plane mirror always produce inverted image. Concave mirror can always produce real image. No. Always produce real image. No. Option A, convex mirror and plane mirror always erect image. This is the right option. Next, you are standing at a distance of 2 meters from a plane mirror. If you move towards mirror in such a manner that your distance from the mirror become 0.5, that is now you at 0.5. What is the distance between image and you? Then image also 0.5. Then the distance between mirror and you is 1 meter. Right answer is 1 meter. What is the angle of incidence if ray of light is incident normally? If any ray falls normally on the mirror, then I equal to 0, then I equal to 0, then R is equal to also 0. Then option V is correct. Next, which of the following figure properly shows the shadow formation of extended source? Extended source. This is the source. This is the object. Center has umbra. This is umbra. At center, the dark shadow umbra, and outer is the penumbra. Then the right answer is D. Here option D is the correct option. Next question, for which position of the torch the shadow of the box will be the longest? Shadow will be longest from V. An opaque red object is illuminated with yellow light. Opaque object illuminated with yellow light. The color of the shadow is always black. Any light falls on the opaque object, color always black. Following 3 types of reflectors are available with you. Which one will select for the street light? Street light uses a convex mirror that spread the light on large area. Then the correct option is C. Reflector C is used. Which of the following is a symbol of switched in off position? Switched off position. So why this? Next, when an electric current is flowing through a conductor, It experiences a force when it is a magnetic field. No force. Force only if the field is electromagnetic. No. If any current carrying conductor placed in magnetic field, it experiences a force. The magnetic field created around a current carrying conductor for a few seconds, few minutes, few hours? No. For the duration for which current flow through it. Select the correct option. The higher the electrical resistance of a material, the greater is the heat produced when current passes through it. Yes, right. The higher the electrical resistance, lower. No, this is not right. This is the correct option. Then option statement A is true. A fuse is fixed in a circuit in order to fuse is a safety device used decrease the amount of current, no. Increase the amount of current, increase the power consumed, no. Safeguard against excessive, it is a safety device, safeguard against excessive current. In which circuit will the bulb or bulbs glow brightest? Simple circuit with one bulb, one cell, one bulb, two cell, two bulb, one cell, two bulb, one cell, two bulb, one cell, no. One bulb, two cell, yes. Two cells means higher current. Higher current means it glow brightest. Then right answer is blue. Why are symbols used for electrical components? It makes it easier to draw the circuits. Yes, it makes it easier to draw circuits. It is essential to draw a diagram. No. Next. It helps to show the direction of the flow of current. No, all of the above. No. Electric current is measured a device called electric current is measured by a meter. A house owner replaces a failed fuse for the lights of the house when the lights are switched on. The second fuse also fails. The house owner uses the third fuse with a higher rating than the previous two. Why is this not a sensible thing to do? Fuses only allow circuit to work if the rating is exactly right. The third fuse will melt because the rating is too high. Use fuse with a too high rating. Electric shock. The circuit may work but the fault is not correct. Circuit may work but the right answer is D. To take battery of two cells, the negative terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal. The negative terminal of the one cell is connected to the positive terminal. Yes, negative connected to the positive terminal. Element refers to the coil of wire used in various electrical appliances based on heating effect. Magnetic effect. No, heating effect. It is in heating effect. Option A is correct. Why does a bulb not glow when its filament is broken? Filament is broken, then circuit is broken, then it is not glow. Option V is correct. Which guarantee mark should we check on the electrical appliances? It is the ISI mark for the guarantee to safely use. Choose the statement which is not correct in case of an electric fuse. Fuse are inserted in electric circuits of all buildings. Yes. There is maximum limit on the current which can safely flow through the electric circuit. There is a minimum limit. No. Its proper use is inserted in a circuit. It will blow off when it current exceeds the safe limit. The option V is correct. There is a maximum limit on the current which can safely flow through the electric circuit. An electric wire connected in a circuit gets heated up when current is allowed to flow through it. This is due to the heating effect. It melts due to the heating effect of the current. Next. match the following symbols. Matched electric cell. Symbol of electric cell is this, electric bulb is this, battery is this, switch is this. Then AQBP, AQQBPCS, no, CR, AQBPCR. Then option V is correct. Study the circuit shown here, which switch if open will cause the light bulb off to stop glowing. This is the cell, and if we break this, then current not flow through the bulb. Then option P, that is A, is correct. If it is broken, if it is broken, current flow from this. If it is broken, current flow from this. It is broken, then current flow from this. If this is broken, current not flow through the bulb and bulb will not glow. In the figure given below, AVC are the identical bulbs. What changes occur when the brightest of the bulbs in the brightest bulb A and V when the switch S is closed? The figure is this. Current flow from the battery here, and current breaks in two directions, I1 and I2. Whole current passes through bulb A. Then bulb A glow more than V. Bulb A glow brightest than V. Then option A is correct. A substance that acquires the properties of a natural magnet is called the synthetic artificial man-made artificial magnet, known as artificial magnet. At any place, the magnetic needle of compass does not settle parallel to the ground, but an angle to it. Choose the correct option. The Earth's magnetic field is not horizontal but inclined. Earth's magnetic field is vertical. Earth does not have magnetic field. No. Earth's magnetic field is not horizontal. It is some inclined at some angle. Then option A is correct here. Repulsion is the real test of magnet. Repulsion is the real test of magnet because magnetic substance also have magnetic properties. Yes, any substance made of iron, nickel, etc. will show attraction but not repulsion. Repulsion occur only between two like poles of magnet. All the above are correct. The intensity of a magnetic field is shown by the lines of magnetic force passing perpendicular through unit area, electric force passing through it, magnetic force parallel to it. Intensity of magnetic field is the magnetic force passing perpendicular through the unit area. Magnetic needle is used in a compass. As it settles in north-south direction, it can be used in per direction. Both A and V are correct. Then option C is correct. Device such as electric doorbell, loudspeaker, generator works on which principle? Heating effect, electromagnetism, chemical effect, permanent. They work on the electromagnetism. Doorbell, loudspeaker. Earthing in electric wiring is important because it prevents electricity from getting leak. If there is a short circuit, the current directly goes to the earth. Yes, option V is correct.